Unlocking the ropes. Understanding, lassoing the steer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very interesting phrase, lassoing the steer. So, grab your notepads, and let's get ready to learn something new together. Lassoing the steer is a phrase that comes from the world of rodeos and ranching. To understand it fully, we need to break it down into two parts, lassoing and the steer. Lassoing refers to the act of throwing a lasso, which is a long rope with a loop at one end, around an animal or object. It's a skill used by cowboys and cowgirls to catch cattle or horses. The steer is a type of cattle. Specifically, it's a male bovine that has been neutered and is usually raised for beef. Together, lassoing the steer involves using a rope to catch a steer, a common practice in ranching and cowboy culture. While lassoing the steer can be understood literally in the context of ranch work, it also holds a symbolic meaning. It can represent the idea of tackling a challenge or taking control of a difficult situation. Just as a cowboy must skillfully use a lasso to catch a steer, sometimes we must gather our skills and resources to manage the challenges life throws our way. You might use lassoing the steer in a conversation to describe someone taking decisive action or overcoming an obstacle. For example, she really lassoed the steer on that project, taking control and leading the team to success. Facing such a tough situation, he knew it was time to lasso the steer and address the problem head-on. It's a vivid expression that adds color and imagery to speech or writing, particularly when talking about seizing control or demonstrating leadership in challenging situations. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, lassoing the steer, is not just a piece of cowboy jargon but a lively expression that captures the essence of taking charge and facing challenges head-on. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and cultures they represent. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in the future. Keep learning and keep curious.